15 Amazing Benefits of Guava Fruit. Guava is a delicious and sweet fruit with lots of potential health benefits. It is a seasonal fruit cultivated mainly in the tropical climates. The scientific name of guava is Psidium Guajava. It is pear-shaped yellow, maroon or light green in color when ripened. Based on the shape, these fruits have either maroon or white flesh as well as hard seed right inside the sweet pulp. There are many types of guavas, but the most popular ones are the yellow-fruited guava, apple guava, cherry guava, red apple, and strawberry guava. This fruit is mainly eaten raw or in juice or jellies form. Through the content of this post, you are going to get information on the 15 amazing benefits of this fruit. Benefits of guava fruit. Some nutrition facts of guava. It is a popular fruit loaded with lots of healthy nutrients. Some of the healthy nutrients found in guava include dietary fiber, energy, vitamin A, vitamin C, niacin, folate, vitamin B6, riboflavin, thiamine. There are also some minerals in it including iron, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Some health benefits of guava. It is loaded with wonderful nutrients that help human health. So, there are many health benefits you need to know. The benefits include: prevent cancer. It helps to inhibit cancer cell metastasis and growth. Based on a recent study, it was found that adding in the diet has tremendous effects on breast, prostate, and oral cancer. Oil from guava leaves is known to have anti-proliferative effects. The effect of this fruit on reducing the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer is as a result of lycopene, a well-known antioxidant. Antioxidant properties. It contains a high content of vitamin C, known to be 4 times more than the one found in orange, making great for boosting the immune system. It has antioxidant properties, which helps to fight against the proliferation of free radicals in the body. So, it can help to prevent heart disease and cancer. Controls diabetes. A diabetic patient can find succor in the intake of guava. This is due to the high contents of dietary fiber in the fruits, helping to lower blood glucose. So, according to studies, it is believed that it can help in the prevention of type 2 diabetes. Improves eyesight. The high content of vitamin A in guava made the intake good in improving eyesight. It can also help to slow down muscular degeneration, cataracts, and boost total vision health. It helps to avoid deterioration of the eye and protect the cells in the eyes. Regulate blood pressure. Guava does not help in the reduction of cholesterol in the blood but also prevents cholesterols from thickening. So, it can help in maintaining the fluidity of blood and reduction of blood pressure. Also, since it is rich in fiber, it helps to reduce blood pressure. Improves thyroid health. Guava is a good source of copper, known to help in metabolism regulation through hormone production and absorption control. That means this fruit can help to improve thyroid health in the body. Treats scurvy. With 4 times more vitamin C content than orange, guava is known to work more in treating scurvy. Scurvy is a health condition caused as a result of vitamin C deficiency in the body. Eliminates diarrhea and dysentery. With the astringent properties of guava, it can help in treating several digestive disorders such as dysentery and diarrhea. You can get the astringent properties by either chewing the leaf or raw fruits. Relieves constipation. With a high content of dietary fiber in guava, it is known to be highly effective in relieving constipation in the body. Both the seeds and the dietary fiber are used as laxatives, making it good for relieving constipation. Improves brain health. It is a good source of vitamin B3, niacin, and B6. The niacin helps in increasing the flow of blood as well as stimulations of cognitive function. On the other hand, vitamin B6 helps in boosting nerves and brain functions. So, the intake of this fruit can help in enhancing concentration and relaxing the nerves. Benefits of guava fruit. Treats cold and cough. Guava juice is known to be helpful in relieving colds and cough through reduction of mucus and disinfecting the throat, respiratory tract, and lungs. This also occurs through microbial activity inhibition through astringent properties. Aid weight loss. Guava is highly effective in weight loss for those that do not compromise the intake of vitamins, proteins, and fiber. Skin care. Intake of this fruit can help in improving the texture of the skin due to the astringent's properties. Reduces oxidative stress. With high vitamin C contents as well as some other phytonutrients effective in reduction of free radicals as well as oxidation of stress. Guava fruits are effective as well as the guava leaves. Juice extract from its leaves is used for the treatment of a toothache, or ulcers, swollen gums. It is also effective in increasing the healing process with an application on a wound. Thanks for watching the video. This is the presentation of www.cookism.com.
Wow, this is awesome.